Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the latest news of Ukhrul District, Manipur. The 12th Chief Minister of Manipur, N. Biren Singh, visited Ukhrul District on 11 April 2017 and sanctioned Rs 201 crore worth of development, which includes the road construction. As you can see here in the picture, this is the current situation of the road in Ukhrul District. And as promised by the Chief Minister of Manipur, the road construction started today, 27th April 2017. Here are some of the pictures of the road construction which was in progress today, until the civil organization stepped in and checked the quality of the road. As you can see in the following video, this is the quality of the road which is being constructed today. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the latest news of Ukhrul today. The question is, who is responsible for this construction and who are the responsible person to monitor the progress and the quality of any development work that has been taken up in our district, Ukhrul? Thank you.